Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Kyle here with X-Venture Overland, and I'm going to show you how to do a diff breather mod on the Nissan Frontier for $12, $15 max. So you're really not going to need many tools. You're going to need 10 mil, 14 mil, flathead screwdriver. Then you're going to need some 3-inch hose. I got it in 10 feet. Need a little fuel filter just to clean the air, some hose clamps, and this is actually your factory check valve breather that's on the diff right now. They're horrible. So you just peel the cap off of it and you can make it work by sticking the hose over top of the end here. Just make sure it cleans up and you can see through. This was pretty clogged up, that's why I blew out the axle seal on the truck, so don't do that. Alright, so first step is you're going to want to take your 14 mil wrench and just up here on top of the axle, you're going to want to unscrew the factory breather. Once you get that out, clean it up. It's going to take some thread sealant. Don't need much. Just dab it on. And then you can start threading it in. Alright, so once you get that tight, we can go up top. Now we've got to pull the taillight out. Alright, so the next step is the taillight. There's one bolt right here, up here. They're just 10 mils. Take both those out. These are pretty easy. A couple turns with the wrench and they're finger tight. You can just wiggle the tail light out. You'll probably hear a pop. There is a little clip, just like that. Then you just rest that to the side. So the easiest thing to do once you get the tail light out is you can actually fish the hose from up top down through here and then climb underneath. You might need some zip ties and just find the best routing possible. So the way I ran it was up over the frame, tucked it up through here, followed it along through a zip tie in, a zip tied just to the to the brake line there, just to keep it out of the way. And then I figured on this side, I should put a loose zip tie up top with the ABS. I figure the much slack is in the ABS line. It's probably all I need for this axle drooping down when flexing. And just plug it in like that. Put the hose clamp on and you're good to go. So once you get it all fed through, now you just have to cut the hose, slip the little filter in line, and that should be it. I'll show the end result here. Alright, and that's the final result. I just looped it back on itself, zip tied it together, and just put the taillight in. Well, I hope that video helps other people. There's really nothing on the internet for these Nissan Frontiers, so I'm going to keep plucking away and keep doing these mods and post them online and hopefully help people out.